How are you?
Good, 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 good. How are you? Can you?
Audio up a minute.
There we go.
Oh, I look like shit.
Oh no, it's not. Oh no.
I'm freaking out because one eye is like halfway swollen shut, and I gotta look good by Thursday.
I know. What?
I'm gonna have to wear sunglasses.
Oh my goodness.
Absolutely.
While we're on the event, because there's a few things that I want to talk about too with the event. Yeah. The event being one, obviously the main thing that I am most concerned about is that we capture data at the event. That each and every person that comes in, we need to get their information. Some of them, we already have their information. They're already in the database, and that's cool. And when I say database, I mean the email marketing platform. There are going to be a lot of people who come through that door for the non-existent patient. They're completely new. Maybe they came with a friend. They're just walking off the street, and they haven't been through the website. They haven't been through social media, so we have nothing on them. We need to make sure we get their information. So usually how this is done, when everybody comes in, they scan the QR code. They can scan the QR code, and I can do it. It doesn't take that long. But the main thing, oh, go ahead.
Are we gonna have it like posted right away? First thing they do, they walk in the door, they scan the code.
Yes, so they can either scan the code and do it themselves, but then you're gonna run into those people who they don't know how to do it, or they don't maybe don't have a Gmail, they don't have Google, so that may be a little hard for them to do. So for those people, I recommend having a tablet that has basically the same information that they will be completing. I recommend somebody having a tablet, and that way they can help those people. We don't want them to slip through the cracks. There are going to be some that slip through the cracks. That's just usually how it is at events. But the more data that we can capture, the better, because again, we can put these patients in a database, and then we can continue to nurture to them and continue to market to them.
To get every person that's been to us will receive a $25 gift card when they check in if they bring a friend. Every person that walks in the door just for coming, they get a raffle ticket. So they're going to want to come to the front desk and get their raffle ticket. So that's where we can capture what we need.
So honestly, whatever method you use is fine, but what I don't want to end up doing is having it, because I'm definitely not doing it, and I know your girls, and you don't have time to sit there and manually put everybody's information on a sheet, because I need first name, last name, ideally phone number and email address. So usually, if I understand what you're saying correctly, usually what ends up happening from that way is there has to be someone that manually puts everybody's name on a sheet so that I can get the information. So the reason why I say do it digitally and have it done where it's like an electronic submission is that so at the end of it all of the information can be right on one sheet, centralized, and it's just a matter of exporting it form. So as long as the Wi-Fi is working the day of the event, because obviously I've seen where the Wi-Fi goes out, and when that goes out, it's just a cluster. My role when I come to events, honestly, because I've had so many things done specifically at your location, I'm honestly just there to be kind of a walking model. I will talk to patients, I help, wherever I'm needed. Usually somebody is always asking me, oh, what do you do to your skin, or tell me your secret, so it's the perfect segue just to say, oh, well, I had the PRX Derm Perfection or whatever. So that's usually what I'm there for. And honestly, again, just to really get a better idea of the clientele that walks through the event. I did get your email about the finalized offers. I'm going to send out an additional email about that. It'll go out this evening, and to everyone who has already RSVP'd, they'll get that email as well. It'll be like a different email. I'm not sure when the last export actually taken place, because I know I told her don't put any more in there, because we were almost, I think it's like 6,000 you can get up to.
Yeah. So
now that I have your permission, yes, I will go through, I will do a scrub, and anyone who is not engaged or opening the emails or anything of that sort, we will go ahead and remove them off so we can make room for the new ones coming in.
That's a really good idea.